Hi guys, I'm back dyeing some more paper. You've seen this before. I'm just making more papers because I feel like it. So let's get started. I'm just using, well, stamp pads, water. You'll see as I start. Kind of messy, but kind of fun. So these are just stamp pads that I've had that I don't use. You could probably use, oops, I'm shaking my camera. Stamp pads that are old. I haven't tried it, but these are just ones I received from a haul that I went on for free, actually. So they don't mean anything to me, nor do I use them. So I'm making paper with them. Or, you know, fun papers. Let's see. Oh, let's add some yellow. I just think they look so fun. And then I'm adding a little bit of white, diluted white acrylic paint for some splatters. That's about it. These are good for collage papers, tearing up, backgrounds, journal pages, all the things. Some paper seems to spread better with the ink than others. So I'm just kind of trial and erroring it. Let's see, sometimes I get the stamp pad wet too, it just depends. I love this. I don't know why I love the square look to it. And it seems to be better when I wet the stamp pad. I like pairing pink with blue. Let me see. It's kind of like tealy green. I don't know. I just try a bunch of colors until I'm happy with it. But anyways, what are you guys doing? What's new? If you're seeing this video now, I'm most likely at my new job. I tried to pre-record a couple of videos for, today's January 5th. But I'll be at my new job on the 6th. Ooh, I'm liking this one so far. I'll be free during the week, but not for the next couple weeks while I'm in training, because my job is working the weekends, so I'll still be able to do my normal videos eventually, or my normal schedule. Okay, so now what I wanted to try, might not show up on this one because the only color I have is blue. I was just going to add some circles to it because I'm using up some paint from a video that I just recorded on painty papers. So I was just gonna, I wanted to use black, but guess what? My black acrylic paint is frozen right now. It was in the garage. So that's where it's at. That looks enough. That's enough. And then I was going to add some gold speckles. You might not be able to see them on camera until they dry, and I show this paper later just because it's the way it works. Well, that's fun. Let's see. This one's very inky. they all turn out totally different in my opinion, so it's kind of fun to see. I don't know what'll happen if I spray it. Kind of blend it. Oops. It doesn't move a whole lot on this paper. It's hit or miss, like I said, with the papers. I might just leave this one blue. Like that. Maybe add some detail to it down the line. Oop. Let's do a book page here. Another method I was doing while I was doing this is also adding watercolor, so you can double up with that. Let's see if this paper, spray it. Let's see. I'm just adding some of that white acrylic paint. I don't know what it's gonna do. Seems to blend a little bit, or kind of, I don't know what the word is. Bleed. Yeah, I could get my watercolors and do some brighter splats. I'm okay with that. It's messy enough for right now. Okay, let's see. Might do one more page. Do you guys have any go-to paper dyeing techniques? Feel free to share them with me in the comments. I'm always looking for different ways. You know, I do the traditional, but I like to find non-traditional ways too. I just think it's so fun. I have stacks and stacks of dyed paper because I'm like obsessed with just making them and seeing what happens. Because it's always so, they're all just so different. Oops. I don't know if this is gonna, yeah, just a little bit of pink in there. I don't want them to mix too much because it'll end up with like pea soup, but who knows how this will dry. It's the beauty of it. This one's running very well, so that's kind of fun. So far it looks kind of cool. Love it. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll show you the pictures of the ones that I just did. They'll be in the thumbnail dry. But thank you for watching. Leave any ideas you'd like to see in the comments for me. Have an awesome week, and I will see you soon. Bye.